entity group are information management specialists, and we've been in that domain for 30 years. We provide an array of services ranging from advisory, technical and ongoing support of data management for a variety of organisations, so large, small, public and private sectors.
Entity Group brought real credibility to us at Worcestershire Office of Data Analytics. They're an international firm, however they've got a real local feel to it as well. They know the public sector and we're able to bring real examples from other parts of the country about what works.
We're engaged by WODA to undertake an exercise whereby the Worcestershire Office of Data Analytics are able to understand the maturity of their existing data management capabilities, to understand an optimal target state of where they needed to be able to leverage their data assets more widely, and then finally to deliver a data strategy that would articulate the very practical steps by which they can get from their current level of maturity to an optimal level of maturity where all the agencies are sharing their data more effectively, being able to demonstrate that they're sharing their data in a secure manner to the regulator, and being able to just leverage their data assets more fully. It was a three-phase program where the first round, the discovery phase, was based on a combination of interviews and document reviews. So we interviewed 50 people across the different agencies, so that would be the police and health acute and health and care, some voluntary sector, and then the county and district councils. So a whole spread of stakeholders from across the Worcestershire public sector.
What really impressed me about Entity was their ability to come along to meetings, to listen carefully and to come out with some really great insight from those meetings with frontline workers. That has really helped us to create a new way of working here at Worcestershire Office of Data Analytics.
We also reviewed a series of documentation, so there'll be data strategies and other data-related collateral, all of which enables us to measure the maturity of data management across Worcestershire County.
Entity Group have a really great methodology, the Data Delta. It was really helpful to us at Worcestershire Office of Data Analytics to understand the different maturities of our local agencies.
So we use our Data Delta method, and by the method we will try and measure the maturity of ownership, of how well data is described, data quality, and how it is used and shared across the organisation and beyond the organisation's boundaries. So we take these inputs of the interviews and of the document reviews, and we replay that through the lens of our Data Delta model, and that enables us to come up with a score, a maturity level of where we are currently, and help to plot the route for an organisation such as WODA. We delivered a roadmap, and the roadmap articulated short, medium and long-term steps. So there's some activities that different agencies in WODA can start straight away. And in fact, some of those recommendations have already been implemented and are underway right now. And then there's the more strategic elements of trying to make sure that data is governed in a secure way, that it's done in a way that they can demonstrate compliance to the ICO, for example, and done in a way that tries to embed data management as business as usual activity, and it isn't just seen as a one-off engagement where we just try and see how the land lies now. This is meant to be a long-term solution to enhance data management across the whole of Worcestershire.